Okay, today I will talk about. First of all, I will take a look on the US dollar. I will talk about gold, silver, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Japanese yen, US equities. I will take a look on US oil. So I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify new setups. I will talk also about my current setups. I will try to place new trades, and I will share my trades here. With you guys. So about the DXY first of all, but first of all, guys, before I will take a look on the DXY, before I will talk about the US dollar, about gold, and please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, and yeah, it's important to read the disclaimer, guys. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Thank you, guys. So later we'll have the US Empire State Manufacturing Index as a high impact event. This could bring some action into the markets, and as you can see here, the Empire State Manufacturing Index is expected at minus 9.9 points versus minus 0.19 points in the previous reporting period, and the better than expected data could help the US dollar to appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, later industrial production, capacity utilization rate, also prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment, guys, also as high impact event. So I've talked about the DXY earlier today in my market breakdown video, also in that US 100 video analysis, and you can see that the price escaped from this pattern, from this flag pattern. Right now it challenges the former high 105.32, and I've said also earlier, gold going up or down. Amer, I will take a look on gold in 1 or 2 minutes, but please, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me your levels, your time frame. Okay, so a new higher high here, sorry guys, could open the door for further growth here towards new highs. Better than expected US data and positive US data could help the DXY to jump higher after escaping from this pattern, and this scenario should force the US dollar to appreciate versus rivals. But in the short term, we cannot exclude the temporary retreats. The price could retest the broken downtrend line, the flag is resistance. It could try to come back to test, retest, or to approach and reach maybe this strong candle, bullish candle demand zone before jumping higher. So, but yeah, in my opinion, the US dollar is still bullish, and it could still extend its growth. That's why personally I already sent a pending order in Canadian US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Okay, and also I've sent a pending order in US 100. I talked about US 100 earlier in that video, in my video, but yeah. These trades, or these pending orders, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and US dollar, US 100 were sent into the VIP group, because these were only for the VIPs, for the VIP members. And if you want to get my trades, you can hit the link below this video. You can join the VIP group, of course, if you are not a VIP member. Okay, so let's take a look. Euro USD, first of all, Euro USD. Yeah, right now it has reached this supply retreat, but it has reached the immediate support, the S1. It has reached also this demand zone, so only a new lower low could open the door for more declines here. Right now, I don't want to send a new USD trade before the economic data, because the fundamentals could really shake the markets. The fundamentals could move the markets, could change the sentiment in the short term. So I already have two pending orders right now, and I'm waiting two pending orders, and I'm waiting for the US economic data before taking action again. Might US 500 drop to on 1 hour time frame? I can see. Let's take a look on that market. Thank you. And don't forget, guys, to like the video. So about US 100, sorry, US 500. 45. It remains to see, guys. In my opinion, the US economic data should bring high volatility, and the US economic data will have a big impact on the US equities as well. Okay, right now the bias is still bullish. Okay, here on US 500, on US 500, but yeah, we are in a demand zone. Okay, sideways movement before a new rally. But in my opinion, yeah, the bias is still bullish, only because I believe that the DXY retreated a little in the short term ahead of the economic data, as I've said. But US 500 again. US 500. That's why personally I've sent and I've placed a pending order in US 100, and also that setup is still unconfirmed. The price is still far above my entry, but yeah, let's take a look on 1 hour or 4 hour. Yeah, it's still located. It has reached one moment, classic weekly. Okay, weekly. It has reached the weekly R1 here. Okay, I'm live again. One moment, I will update the groups again. Join my webinar. Okay, sorry about that. Some technical problems. Okay, so the DXY, I talked about the DXY, about potential upside continuation. Could you do with chatting what? Just signal it up for VIP. How do I get on contact? David. So David, if you want to, you can send an email to support. This is the only way you can learn to trade. So you can send David Roberts. You can send an email to support if you have questions. Yes, someone asked me about US 500. Okay, yeah, I talked about US 500 earlier, and I've said that the bias is still bullish. But after its amazing upwards movement, I said that if it stays below the R1 up and taking out the uptrend line, a new lower low could open the door for a new leg down, a new sell-off. Of course, if the DXY extends its growth. Okay. And personally I will take a look also on something here. Yeah, so David, if you have questions about services or about subscription, you can send an email to support. Okay, and the support team will sort you out. Personally, I'm not working as a support agent, so you can send an email to support. They will sort you out if you're interested in. But also, don't forget that you can visit our website for more details. Okay, it's up to you if you want to join the VIP groups. You can join the VIP groups by accessing the link below this video as well. You always repeat this sentence, but the deals say the opposite. Most of your deals are losing. No, you are wrong, ABOB. Yeah, because personally, yeah, I've had small losses, but personally, I'm really good this year. So yeah, um, yeah, I'm not sending all the trades here, as you already know, and if you cannot afford to lose 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 of your trading account, please don't trade. Okay, do something else. Okay, because trading is not only about winning trades. Okay, yeah, I've registered, I don't know, 3 or 4 small losses, but I will recover those losses, those small losses. Maybe with my current trades or with new setups. Yeah, yeah, USD CAD got triggered. One moment, I will update the VIP group. The VIP group, because that was only a VIP trade. Okay, okay, I've updated the VIP group. What about Bitcoin Cash? What about that market? If you want me to take a look on a specific market or cryptocurrency, or yeah, please tell me what you are looking at. Okay. What about Bitcoin Cash USDT? What about that market? Are you long? Are you short? You want to buy? You want to sell? Your time frame, please. Yeah. Okay. So this is my opinion about the US dollar, about the DXY. Yeah. One moment. My economic calendar. Yeah. So as I've said, in 12 minutes or less than 12 minutes, we'll have the Empire State Manufacturing Index, also the Canadian economic data, the US import prices. So yeah, let's wait for the economic data, and the fundamentals will shake the markets in the short term. Will okay. I've talked about the fundamentals, and the fundamentals will shake the markets, will move the markets. So trade some profit and some loss. You are right, but you put stop loss so far. For you are lost because your is about 1%. What? Risk to reward ratio. No, you can see that also today risk to reward ratio on USD CAD is about one moment. I'll take a look on the VIP. So 1 to 4, yeah. So risk 1 and the reward 4. Okay, and also US 100. The risk is 1 and the reward ratio 3.5. Okay, so it's up to you. If you don't want to follow my trade, it's fine. Okay, I'm already VIP. Just a question about software. Okay, so please send an email to support. I'm not working as a support agent, so please send an email to support, and they will sort you out. Okay, okay, guys. Gold. Yeah. Maybe I'm looking for Willie Jones gold. I'm looking for shorts in gold. I talk about closed trades. You closed trades before reach TP, so results are not as you said on VIP. So if you don't want to follow my trades, please don't. I don't care. Okay, it's up to you. It's your trading account. Personally, I'm here only to share my opinion, to share my trades. If you don't want to follow my trade, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Personally, I'm sharing my analysis. I'm sharing my thought process, my setups, my trades, and it's up to you. Okay, I don't know your trading account. I don't know your risk. I don't know anything. So it's up to you. Personally, I'm here only as an analyst. I'm not a financial advisor, so yeah, I will not tell you what to do. So it's your call. Do you track profit per month or per year? I'm looking to put some money down, your guys, to trade for me. No. So personally, I'm not. I will not. I'm not trade, Victor. I'm not. I will not trade on your account or something like this. And right now we don't have. We don't have. I don't have we don't have a copy trading service right now. Yeah. Have I closed my trade long my target? Okay, I will take a look on that market. About gold, guys, because you asked me about gold. Personally, I'm looking for shorts, for new selling opportunities. The gold VIP signal you sent, hit stop loss confirm. No, it was not my trade. Okay, so please take a look under the trade. You will see my name, and when you will see Olympio, you will see that is my work and my trade. Okay, when you will see other names, okay, it is not my work, so I will not talk about other traders. Okay, one moment, because I have to take a look on something. Okay, so you will see my name under my USD CAD, okay, Olympio, under my videos, okay, under my US 100 trade. Yeah, okay, thank you, guys. So I didn't had a position on gold today. Okay, I didn't have a position on gold today. Right. Actually, I'm looking for something, because if the US economic data comes in better than expected, and if the DXY jumps higher, if the US dollar dominates the currency market, yeah, the price of gold and the price of silver could turn to the downside. Okay, could develop a sell-off. But right now, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes before the Empire State Manufacturing Index, I'll wait. Right now I will not place a new trade before the economic data. I will place a new trade after the economic data. Okay, and also don't forget that later we'll have the prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment, capacity utilization rate, industrial production, and about US 100, because yeah, I will hide that. One moment, I will hide this this setup, because this was only for the VIPs, and I will take a look here, and I will because I want to answer to ABOB, yeah, because he said that I'm managing my trades too soon, and I don't know what. Okay, in the previous days I've had something like this here on US 100. Okay, I've had my trade with a sell stop here, okay, around 15 I'm putting these levels here because maybe the price was different on my MetaTrader 5 on my platform, because I've used those levels, but this was my setup, okay, in the previous days, with a sell stop here right below this former low, okay, with an initial stop loss here right above this former high, okay, and with a potential target around these levels here, something like this. It was my setup, right? This was my setup, something like this, okay. Yeah, one moment. I've had this setup in the previous days into the VIP group, okay, and this is what happened, okay. This was my setup, something like this, right? And after this sell-off here on let's take a look on lower time frame, like 15 minutes, because I want to show you something. Okay, after this sell-off here, okay, my short position got triggered here on this market, USY 100, okay, ABOB, yeah, because you asked me why, or you I don't know, you said that I'm closing my trades too soon, or yeah, so this is why it was a mistake here that I didn't close my trade here, and I've let it ride, right to reach the take profit. It would have been really, really, really great. But one moment. Please, guys, confirm me to the chat that you can still hear me. Okay, because it seems that one moment, because it seems that my screen is frozen or something like this. One moment. Okay, yes, I hear. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say, guys, that personally I've had a sell stop here, and yeah, I've had an initial stop loss here. Okay, my take profit maybe was here, right? Sell off, my short got triggered, and then I've had a rebound, and before this rebound here, personally I've decided to move my stop loss higher here, because personally I've expected only a temporary rebound here, and please take a look what happened after this temporary rebound. Okay, and then after this new sell-off, personally I've moved my stop loss here again above this new high here, right? And I've let it ride. And when I've had this massive sell-off here, personally I've moved the stop loss at break even, and I've let it ride, right? And it was a really big mistake. Maybe my take profit was here around this level, because I've had this massive, or here, I don't know exactly, yeah, maybe here around this former low, something like this. I don't know, remember quite well, but I've had this massive sell-off, and after this massive sell-off, personally I should have closed my position to take profit, a really good profit, maybe here on the US 100, yeah. Maybe yeah, really good profit, because personally by moving the stop loss to break even before the Asian session, because I wasn't able to monitor my trade during the Asian session, the price turned against me and reached my my stop loss at break even, and then it has dropped. It would have reached maybe my take profit. Okay, it was a mistake. Because after this massive sell-off, personally I should have closed the position here for, I don't know, maybe for 2 hours or something like this, okay, or for 1 hour or for something like this, and to look for something else. And unfortunately the price rebounded, and it has reached my stop loss at break even, and the position closed. And this is why I'm managing. There are moments when I'm managing my positions sooner, okay. Yeah, because there are moments when I see something like this, maybe I will have a rebound and I don't want the price to turn against me. I will take the profit and I will look for something else, or maybe the price or maybe the sentiment could change around high impact events or something like this. That's why I'm managing my positions. Yeah, it's up to you. If you don't want to follow my trades, if you don't want to follow my management, it's fine. Personally, I'm not a financial advisor here. I'm sharing my opinions, I'm sharing my analysis, my trades. It's up to you if you want to follow my my work. Yeah, one moment, because I don't know if this okay, let's take a look DXY, because we already the economic data is out. Let's take a look on the economic calendar. Okay, Empire State Manufacturing Index better than expected, 1.9 versus minus 9.9. So better than expected. Import prices. Yeah, import prices later. Oh, sorry, better than expected. And later we'll have the industrial production. We'll have the capacity utilization rate. Yeah. So right now the DXY tries to jump higher, and one moment, I will take a look on my real account. I will take a look on my real account. Yeah, and as I've said, my US dollar Canadian dollar is already got triggered. USD CAD is in profit, and yeah, I still have a pending order in US 100, guys, for the VIP group. For the VIP group. Okay, yeah. So please understand that the sentiment could change in the short term, even if you, I don't know, if you will have a setup, for example, I don't know, I don't know if maybe we'll have a setup with a really great risk to reward ratio. For example, you will risk 0.3 and you can gain, I don't know, maybe 3%. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, because when you will maybe when the sentiment change, maybe you need to change your mind as well. You need to manage your trades. You need to move the stop loss at break even. Maybe you need to close it in profit. Maybe the price could turn against you or something like this. That's why I'm managing my positions. Okay. Okay, US 100 is really good as well, and probably it will hit my entry soon. USD CAD is in profit, so I'm keeping my trades and I'm looking for something else. Okay. So I've talked about the DXY today. I've talked about this flag pattern, about the potential upwards movement. Yeah. And let's go back. Let's take a look on gold, because I talked about gold and I said that we'll have a sell-off maybe. Yeah, sell-off right now. Yeah. I don't know if I want to place a trade right now here, because we had this sideways movement here and then boom. Okay, so as long as it stays above it, it could only reach this zone before jumping higher if the economic data will come in worse than expected later. So the economic data should be decisive later today. Okay. Godspeed Freeman, hi, how are you? So the economic data should be decisive later today, and poor economic data, poor US data could weaken the US dollar and could push the price of gold higher. That's why right now I'll wait maybe for the economic data before taking action. And if I will have a setup, if I'll decide to place a new trade, I will come back with new trades for you guys, also on gold, on silver. Silver as well. It has reached a supply on 1 hour. Please take a look here. Maybe this could be my next trade, but in the short term, I want the price maybe to drop below this immediate low. Okay, to drop below it and then to come back to test, retest, and then boom. Okay, this could be my next setup on silver, because silver reached the supply zone. Maybe we'll have here false breakout with great separation. We'll have maybe a pin bar. We'll have maybe a bearish engulfing or something, and price of silver could turn to the downside. US oil. US oil. US oil. US oil. Yeah, that previous setup was invalidated, and yeah, maybe I will look for longs after this retreat ends here on US oil. Okay, US 30, US 30, sell off, because the DXY rallies. Okay, I'm using this correlation. in my Confluence trading strategy. I don't want to be long on the US equities when the US dollar is bullish, when the DXY rallies. Okay, I want to be actually I'm looking for shorts when the DXY is bullish. US 500 sell off as well. Yeah, my US 100 got triggered as well. Got triggered as well. So I have two positions right now: USD CAD and US 100. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have questions, because if you don't have questions, maybe I will end this webinar here. I'm looking for something else, and I will come back later with new trades around and after the economic data around the US Open. Bitcoin. It could maybe it could tend to the downside. It could come back to retest the immediate, the near-term support levels. US 100 looks good. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, for now it looks good. And only if I will close it in profit, it will be very good. Okay, because if the DXY jumps higher, if the US dollar resumes its growth, dominates the currency market, then also Bitcoin could drop. Ethereum, sorry. Ethereum, it has reached the supply zone again, resistance, and yeah, it could turn to the downside as well. If the price of Bitcoin drops, then Ethereum could drop as well. I don't know if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, because personally I'm not sending trades or content on those on the VIP groups, on the crypto VIP group, or on the free crypto group. But personally I'm looking for shorts right now here. Okay, in Ethereum. That's why I wanted to talk about Ethereum. Okay, guys, Japanese yen basket, and then I will end this webinar. Yeah, a rebound, short-term rebound, but I don't know if we had something like a short opportunity on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, or British pound Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe we had here, maybe we've missed an opportunity here. British pound Japanese yen, or euro Japanese yen. No, maybe only on that market. Maybe here, or Swiss franc Japanese yen. Let's take a look. No, here is too late. Yeah, maybe euro Japanese yen could still be good, but I will keep an eye on the yen basket, because I don't know if we'll have a larger rebound. Yeah, larger rebound. Only if it makes a new higher high here, then maybe we'll have a larger rebound in the short term after this massive sell-off. Yeah, the bias, the downside pressure remains high, but after its strong sell-off, a larger rebound here should force the Japanese yen to appreciate versus rivals. Maybe I will come back with an euro Japanese yen setup for the VIP group. Okay, and as I've said also earlier today, it's up to you if you want to follow my trades. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sharing my trades, my thought process, my setups, the rationale. Yeah, so both my trades right now are yeah, I will show you here on the real account. So USD CAD, I will show you only the open here, but it's too late if you're not a VIP. And also Nasdaq. Okay, but I will come back with my trade management into the VIP group, and yeah, let's hope that my positions will bring me some profit. What's your entry on US 100? Is the setup in VIP? Yeah, is the setup in VIP. Yeah, and don't forget that maybe the price could be different in your at your brokerage company, in your platform. Yeah, when trading CFDs, guys. Okay guys, I will end this webinar here. I will come back with my trade management, and I will come back with new setups as well, like gold or silver and Euro Japanese yen. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.